guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. Previously I've shown you guys how you use monday.com as a social media planner, but in today's video I will show you how you can integrate Google Calendar or any other application to your social media planner or whatever board it is that you have. So I will use this previous tutorial board that we have here. If you navigate over on the top, you can see there's an option called integrate where you can integrate applications. So you click on integrate, and as you can see there is a lot of integration that you can use. Now if you're looking for Google Calendar, you can always search it up or find it over right here. Besides the very bottom, Google Calendar is right here. So if you click on Google Calendar, you can see this is what are the options and the features that Google Calendar can be used in monday.com. It can seamlessly connect your Google Calendar to your Monday boards to automatically sync, update and manage events. One of the examples is when event is created in Google Calendar, create an item and sync features changes from Google Calendar. So if you were to apply any changes on either Google Calendar or monday.com, both Google Calendar and monday.com will have the similar changes. I hope that makes sense. Another feature is when an item is created or updated, create an event in Google Calendar and sync future changes from this board. Now it's pretty similar to the first option. However, the only difference is that one of them is for item and the other is event. The last option is when a person is assigned to someone, create an event in Google Calendar and sync feature changes from this board. So even so, if you assign someone to do a task, it will also apply changes to Google Calendar and monday.com, vice versa. What I can do is just click use template. You can connect your Google Calendar account. Once you're connected your Google Calendar, a preview template will show up. So this is what you can do. When a person, and you can click on person, and let's say if you have a team right here, you can add your team is assigned to someone, and here you can add another one more of your teammate. Create an event. Now an event can be any kind of event, so let's simply create a random one. So once an event has been set up, you just click on done. Create an event in Google Calendar and sync feature changes from this board. So create automation, and there you go. For this one, like when edited image, changes set Facebook postings for schedule and set Twitter posting, these are all actually from the main board that I have. This has been automatically set for me, so it makes my life much more easier. So you got run history, my connections. Now let's say if you want to create an automation, or basically another one of this feature, you click create automation. What you can do is follow the steps. So when this happens, let's say item is created, which is basically like a post, for example, then do this. So let's say we can set a date, so scheduling. So when an item or a post that has been created, what I want my team to do is to schedule, and then you can create automation. Now that is how you can integrate Google Calendar in monday.com.